Today, I'm going to walk you through the essential process of setting up Google Authenticator two-step verification, also known as 2FA, on your WordPress website, completely free, using the WP2FA plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have an extra layer of login security that's tough for hackers to crack, helping keep your site and its data safe. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. That's the place where all your site's magic happens. Now, go ahead and look to the left-hand menu for plugins and then click on Add New. This is your gateway to thousands of plugins that extend WordPress's features. In the search bar at the top right, type WP2FA. You'll want the plugin developed by Melipraise. It's robust, free, and specifically designed for simple two-factor authentication. Hit Install Now next to the WP2FA plugin. And once WordPress is finished, this can sometimes take a few moments. Click Activate if you ever feel unsure. Remember, WordPress plugins are reversible, so you're not locked in. Right after you activate, you should see the setup wizard pop up automatically. If not, look for a notice or a menu item for WP2FA and launch it manually. On the wizard's first screen, click Let's Get Started. This step-by-step guide is really user-friendly, so don't rush. Make sure you read each prompt. You'll be asked to select your authentication methods. Choose Google Authenticator. It's popular because the mobile app is free and works reliably for both iOS and Android. Here's a thoughtful decision point. You can require 2FA for everyone on your WordPress site, or only specific roles like admins, editors, or authors. If this is a solo operation, enforcing it for just your account is easiest. But for organizations or multi-user blogs, it's worth making 2FA mandatory for all users with sensitive access. Select your choice and move forward. Now, you'll be prompted to configure 2FA for your own account, and this is where your phone and the Google Authenticator app come in. If you don't have it yet, install Google Authenticator from the App Store. Open the app, tap the little plus symbol, and pick Scan a QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed in your WordPress setup wizard. This step feels almost magical. As soon as you scan, Authenticator generates a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. These are the codes you'll use each time you log in. Enter the current code into the space provided on your WordPress screen. Then click Verify and Save if the code fails. Wait for the next one to appear. It's time-based. At this point, the plugin shows you a set of backup codes, which are absolutely vital. These can rescue your access if you ever lose your phone or can't use Google Authenticator. Think of them like spare keys to your digital house. Download or print these backup codes and store them somewhere secure, ideally offline. For example, keep them in a locked drawer or a password manager. Once you're confident you've saved your codes safely, click Finish. It's time to test that everything's working. Log out of your WordPress account, take a breath, don't worry, your login is about to get smarter. On the login page, enter your usual username and password. You'll now see an extra prompt asking for your 2FA code. Open Google Authenticator, grab the fresh 6-digit code and enter it. If you see your dashboard after logging in, congrats, the extra security layer is active. Adding two-step authentication is one of the easiest, best ways to protect your online spaces. You've just made your WordPress site significantly tougher for intruders to breach. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips and security guides. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.